Now, I personally believe that the answer to both of these questions is no. AI will not replace language teachers. AI will not negate the need to learn a language. Um, Maybe many years in the future, this could be a concern. But right now, what I see is AI as a complementary technology to what we human language teachers do in the classroom. We can have a writing activity. So this is again using the power of generative AI. The student has to write between 25 and 100 words. And you can see the little zero is red, meaning that they haven't written enough. When I get past 25 words, it will turn green, and then I can submit my answer. So let's just try typing a little response here. Um, I think the process of making a movie is fascinating. You were saying before, Anna, that if you define a word in a way that's harder than the word itself, it doesn't help beginner learners. So what you can do is, because these explanations are quite complicated, you can actually change the feedback again into the first language of the learner. So if they're Korean or if they're Russian or if they're whatever, they get the feedback in their native language and they can understand it more easily.
That was my question.